Hello everybody, I'm Gordewski, welcome to my channel and subscribe to my channel. Today I will show you how to cook the salad. Very easy salad from what do you have at home. So today I have tomato, cucumbers, pepper, cheese, mozzarella, parmesan, and make something interesting with this salad. Okay, let's do it. Take a cucumbers and cut it. I prefer cut it as small as you can. It will be Mediterranean style salad, but we add some sauces to make the salad more interesting. Like this, very small pieces. It will be comfortable to eat it. And put it on the plate. Take other half of the cucumbers and make it the same way, as small as you can. Then take a pepper, clean the inside without seeds, we don't need seeds. So then cut it all, also very small pieces, small as you can. Take other color of the pepper, it will be nice on the plate. I like when the dish is right. Very beautiful color. The combination of colors is very beautiful. Red, yellow, green, very tasty. Take a tomato and cut it. And cut as small as you can also. So approximately we need one pepper, whole pepper, all different, or maybe different parts of the color, different parts of red and green and yellow pepper, but altogether it's about one pepper. And then one cucumbers, and we use 2 small tomatoes, like this. Very soft tomato. So it will be about 3 portions, 3 maybe 4 portions in this plate. Then take a lemon, or you can use the concentrated lemon juice, so I have it, so put it in the salad for our marinade, or you can use the lemon. Then take a salt and pepper. It will be salad with the juice, a lot of juice. Then take a greens. I have parsley. Only leaves. In the salad we need only leaves. We don't need this stems. Put it in the plate. Take some olives. I have stuffed olives, stuffed with the fish, anchovies, and it will be very nice with our sauce. Just like this, very small pieces. You can cut it approximately the same size as a vegetable. 8-20 pieces from one olive. And take a Worcester sauce, add in the salad, then mix it. Look at this, a lot of juice. Then with the bread it will be very good. Very Mediterranean salad, typical Mediterranean. Then take a mozzarella. I think for this plate we'll take this size of mozzarella. It will be enough. And try to make the sizes of mozzarella the same like the vegetables. Put it in the salad. Mix it, and it's almost ready. Then take a nuts. So I have nuts. It's sunflower nuts, it's pumpkin nuts, and pine nuts. It's very tasty with the salad. Put it in the salad also. Mix. Then take parmesan, gram padano, what you have, and grate it on the top of the salad. And we also mix it with the parmesan. We grate it very small, in a small size. That will be enough. It's to taste. How do you like? More cheese? Not many cheese. Also, it's very healthy salad. With the nuts, with the vegetables, with a good cheese. Then take a black sesame and decorate it a little bit on top of the salad. Today we will not serve it in the plate, we just use this big plate, family plate, you know, and put it in the table like this. But I want to add some fresh basil, and it's ready. Bon appetit, yours Leon Gordewski. Okay, let's try it. Looks beautiful. It's very beautiful. Okay. Very interesting. Interesting combination with a good exit of lemon, Worcester sauce, anchovies and olives. Very good balance. Very tasty. I recommend you. Try to make like this. You will like it. So it's very easy. As you see, it's very easy. It's very tasty. Bon appetit. Yours Leon Gordewski.